वेलकम टू वन मोर वीडियो ऑफ स्टॉक एनालिसिस। आज बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्टॉक्स के बारे में जिसके बारे में बहुत लोग चर्चा करते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं, उसके आगे का एक्शन जानना चाहते हैं। जी हाँ, आप बिल्कुल सही देख रहे हैं। चार्ट जो हैप्पीएस्ट माइंड्स का चार्ट है, ये हैप्पीएस्ट माइंड्स के चार्ट पे आप देखेंगे कि ये जो स्टॉक है वो कई दिनों से हल्का हल्का गिरावट की और कोशिश कर रहा है गिरने की। परंतु ये एक जो इसने पोल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाई है और उसके बाद ये फ्लैग है, फ्लैग, ये फ्लैग और पोल के चक्कर में ये यहाँ पे अटका हुआ है। फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले कि आप कुछ और सोचें या ना जाने, मैं जो लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे बड़े ध्यान से सुनिएगा फ्रेंड्स, बड़े ही ध्यान से सुनिएगा और उसके बाद वीडियो पूरी देखिएगा। प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड, प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड। दिस इज द टारगेट इन हैप्पीएस्ट माइंड, this is the target. Yes, you got it right. It is going to be a bearish stock in days to come. Yes, friends, and I'll explain you why, how, and where it is going to show retracement starts from, and where you need to exit if you are holding this stock, where you need to start exiting this stock, and average at a lower price levels if you do not want to exit right now. I'll teach you how to buy like investor and I'll teach you how to sell like investor. Friends, be in the video, stay tuned, watch video till full end, and you'll be learning a lot about it. Those who are joining first time on this channel, please go and watch the old videos of result series, stock analysis in playlist. There is lot more learning of on price section which you will probably earn by spending 50,000 in some YouTuber seminar. So I request you to go and watch and the playlist, and you will have a lot of learning. Now let's straightly go to the price chart of this daily structure, what is happening. So let's friend, थोड़ा वीडियो लंबा होगा फ्रेंड्स, पूरा देखिएगा इसको। मजा तभी आएगा जब पिक्चर पूरी देखोगे। आप अगर इंटरवल के ऊपर आगे या पीछे देख के भाग जाओगे तो फिर वही बात होगी कि मैं जैसे हर बार बोलता हूँ कि होटल में खाना खाया और बिल पे करके आ गए। पेट भरना आपका मकसद नहीं होना चाहिए फ्रेंड। न्यूट्रिशन, हेल्थ बनाना मकसद होना चाहिए, और हेल्थ तभी बनेगी जो घर का खाना खाओगे। और घर का खाने खाने का मतलब क्या है कि जब आप लर्निंग करोगे, लेवल्स नहीं निकालने आपको, यहाँ पे सीखना है आपको। ये बना है पोल एक बड़े वाला, ये बड़ा पोल बना है देखिए इसका, और ये बन रहा है इसका फ्लैग। अब ये फ्लैग और पोल की स्ट्रक्चर है। अब जो आपको टिपिकल यूट्यूबर होंगे आपको दिखाएंगे, यहाँ पे देखिए ये भैया बन गया पोल, और ये बन गया भैया इधर यहाँ पे ट्रेंड लाइन, ये बन गया एफ, एफ ऑफ। ऐसा नहीं होता फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे क्या स्ट्रक्चर मैं बताता हूँ आपको। देखिए ये बड़ी रैली एक बायर्स की, दिस इज अ बायर्स रैली फ्रेंड, दिस इज अ बायर्स रैली, दिस इज अ बायर्स रैली। Now whenever there is a stock correction happening, these people, these are the buyers price, their buyers buyings in there in this particular rally. Whenever there is a short selling happening, these people are struck. And what price actually does, it does a price arching. I've been telling for last few months, actually couple of months since I started this channel, that I'll make a video on price arching, but I think I shall make now this another video on price arching, which I haven't made yet. तो price arching पे मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा बहुत शानदार, आपको समझ में आएगा price arching होता क्या है। So whenever price starts arching, what happens? These buyers who were stuck in this fall, they slowly buy slowly, कम छोटा 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 हल्का हल्का बाय करते हैं। वो प्राइस को ऊपर घसीटते हुए ले जाते हैं, रेंगते हुए प्राइस को ऊपर लेके जाते हैं। देखिए जैसे प्राइस रेंग रहा है, ये गैप डाउन, गैप अप, डोजी, इनडिसीजन, तो ये बुल्स नहीं है, ये बेसिकली रेंगना चल रहा है, रेंगना चल रहा है। अर्थवर्म, द वे अर्थवर्म क्रीप्स फ्रेंड, दिस इज द क्रीपिंग ऑफ प्राइस। Now what will they do? They will take the price up to this specific level so that it is almost reaching from where it started falling. And these are the people, a very few retailers and few big houses, like 30%, 40% of the people in this, from the total of the price rally. These 40% people are actually selling now. But once these buyers, they push the price somewhere here, and once again these people also start selling, and these people also join rally. So these guys, sellers, and these buyers, when the price reaches to a certain level, both started selling, then the price falls and trend changes. This is called 60-40 theory. I'll be explaining in some other detailed video also. Now let us see quickly that a price arching is happening. Where is the resistance and where is the support at upside, and where you can exit and safely take your positions off, right friend? देखिए ये जो ऊपर का जो रिजेक्शन है, ये पहला वीक का जो, देखिए ये पहला वीक है इसका, और ये नीचे का दूसरा वीक। ये विकी 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 कौशल बना हुआ है एकदम, इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ी आर्ट है फ्रेंड्स। दिस इज द विकी द स्किल मैन। ये जो ऊपर का कैंडल था देखिए यहाँ पे, जब ये फॉल चालू हुआ, फर्स्ट कैंडल व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग, देयर वाज अ फॉलो थ्रू कैंडल ऑफ दिस, एंड दिस कैंडल टूक अ रिजेक्शन एंड showed a wick here. What is the wick target upside? 1520. So approximately 1520, it's a resistance zone. I will call it a resistance zone. Right friends, resistance zone. The upper side of resistance zone in 1520, and from the price when started falling, this candle actually tried to have a resistance and try to pull it back, price to pull it up, but it got rejected here. What is the high? 1417.5. So friends, I will advise you, if you are in happiest mind, better you can consult your financial advisor also if you're holding for a long term, and if you're in profit, this will be the ideal level. This is the ideal zone where you can exit your long position at the moment for the shorter term. Or else, once the price, now this price is moving, and if you are somewhere here and below this, you have purchased this and you're in decent profit, keep your stop loss trailing. Trail your stop loss to till this level at least. What is this level? 1390. 1390. You can trail your stop loss till 1319, so that if the price falls, takes a rejection here and starts falling, you will have at least minimal loss, and you will book some profit also because of trailing stop loss hit. But let me tell you guys, this is the zone from where happiest mind is 99% likely to see a fall which will take it to 1210 level in most probabilities. Now we have seen the daily chart and analyzed price arching, rejection, support, everything. Why I am saying that this price will fall? As I explained you in the first theory, 60-40 theory, these are buyers pushing price up and these sellers starting sell. But now these buyers are actually stuck in the buying rally. So they will push, creep the price up little bit, and from here they start selling. If we had seen in this zone, if we had seen green candles like this, good candles, green candles like this, some sort of these kind of candles, if we had seen in this zone, I would have said okay, this, now this price will not fall, and these guys are actually pushing the price further up and break this high. But what is this creepy like structure? This price is creeping. Those who are seeing my old video price section, they know how I analyze price without any indicator, option chain or whatever, RSI, rest in peace or what, any, I don't know, ABCD. So this is the creeping price creeping, and this is clearly indication that the bulls are not taking interest, just lifting the price up for certain extent. Remember guys, market does not fall when, I always tell, the market does not fall when bears attack. Market falls when bulls do not take interest. Always remember this. Now, at this level somewhere we will see rejection and the price going to come. Why 1210 or 1200 level? Let us see this first. So guys, in daily chart, this is a support zone. You see clearly here. This is a support structure. These are bricks of the building. Like this foundation is made on top that, and it will come for retesting here. But it will be more clear on the hourly chart. Let me show you hourly chart. Why I am saying 1210. Now let us see. Multi-time frame analysis is a beautiful thing. If you guys need a multi-time frame analysis video, put in the comment section. I'll be more than happy. Keep yourself engaged in the comments and discussion. I am answering each and every one guy's question. Whoever is asking me levels, stop loss, everything. I answer almost every comment which is posted on my timeline. So please do not hesitate to interact and ask whatever questions or comments you have. If you want me to make specific videos on a topic, I will, let me know. I will compile those topic, and in time to come I will keep making videos. If you are holding happiest mind, what level you hold, what is your stop loss, ask me and I'll help you guide if you need any help from me. So friend, this is the level as I told you, 1210 18 1185 to 1225. This is the support zone basically, where market consolidated. This is basically accumulation zone. Price accumulated here for a lot of time, and this big candle, it broke it out, and there was a big institutional buying coming in with big candles like this. And now this has made immediate support here. So once it goes like this, these upper levels, rejection levels, it might take rejection here and it will make a lower high. It can make a lower high, and then it makes a sort of, let me clean this up guys, this is very hodgepodge situation. sorry, ये, so this sort of, what is happening in Zerodha, I don't get it. This sort of, as of now we are seeing this sort of small trend line, but this is not the trend line. This is not how you draw trend line. If you want me to make a video on trend line also, let me know, I'll make it, because this is going to go up and there will you will have a trend line somewhere here, in most probability somewhere here. So you have got the support resistant upper and you have got the target. Now immediate support, once it will start falling after going here, it will be this 1340 approximately. And if it makes a higher lower high here, you can still have a chance of exiting at this point, because if it makes a lower high, it will break this and then it will come to this level. So there are both possibilities. So there are two immediate support. So, and this fall, friends, I am telling you, 200 point plus fall approximately. This will not happen in 1 2 day or 7 days. It might take 2 to 12 weeks. 2 weeks, why I'm saying, because if there is some continuous selling of 2 days, then it price might come to this level and it might start falling. And 12 to 15 sessions, basically 15 sessions, you can say minimum 15 session required, and it could be more than that, but minimum 15 session it will take, because 200 point correction is approximately 10% plus correction. So it might happen over a period of a month, yeah, or a full 4 week session. And now this is it in the happiest mind price structures. And if you guys have any question, comment, suggestion, please put your views, put your questions. I'll be happy to answer. If you have any of your relatives, family members or friends who are using this stock, who are buying this stock, please share this video with them, so that they also get benefited by learning some of the points discussed in this video. I'll wind up this video, friends, and I look forward to your discussion and comments in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video, some more interesting price talk, price section, structure, stocks, and detailed analysis. Till then, have a good day, take good care of yourself, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.